Welcome back, guys. Today I am going to show you how to change your age on Brawl Stars. Firstly, open Brawl Stars and go to the main menu. Tap the three small boxes or the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Supercell ID at the bottom. Just tap Settings next to your avatar or profile picture. Then tap Disconnect and then confirm to log out of your Supercell ID. You'll return to the game login screen. Just select Play without Supercell ID. A new account will be created and you'll be asked to enter your age again. Choose an age 13 or older to unlock chat, social features, and other restrictions. This method creates a brand new account. You will lose your progress unless you reconnect your old Supercell ID. To permanently change your age on an existing account, you need to contact Supercell support, but age changes are rarely granted. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.